Welcome to 702 Lighting. My name is Craig Lake, and we are here to talk about path light modules, path light risers, fixture risers, stakes. We're going to talk about it all. Our newest risers are in. These are the Bono risers, the thinner ones, if you will. This is the 3-inch Bono riser. This is the 6-inch Bono riser. This is the 12-inch Bono riser. And although unbelievable, this is the 18-inch Bono riser. We also have Craig risers. This is the 3-inch Craig riser. This is the 6-inch Craig riser. This is the 12-inch Craig riser. This is the 18-inch Craig riser. And this is the 24-inch Craig riser. All of our risers come out of the box with these wire hooks to help you thread whether it's your module or your fixtures, and that's one of the things we're here to talk about today. All of these risers will take a fixture, or all of these risers will take a hat. So most of your other manufacturers, you've got different risers, different stems. It's a little bit more confusing. With us, you can match any hat on any riser, any size, with our modules. Right now, in stock, we have our adjustable MSDPRO / CCT module, which we'll talk about in another video. Also coming soon, we will have a drop-in module. So what that means is you could mix a drop-in module with a small riser, large riser, your regular MSD Pro module. With any of these risers, you can kind of mix and match to give yourself different looks if you wanted to do something on top of a dock piling. Me personally, I'm going to use this on my home pathway because you know your path lights are always getting kicked around. This is a little lower to the ground, beefier, and then we're getting 500 plus lumens on the high setting out of our module, so you're going to get just about more punch than you'll probably get anywhere else. All of these risers come by themselves with the wire hook. Separately, you can order these path lights as a kit. The 24-inch Craig riser path light kit will come with a Dracula stake. All the other path light kits will come with our standard stakes that you see here. And then once again, you can just kind of mix and match to get any sort of look that you want. If you want something more traditional, you can do that as well. So all of our risers are going to come out of the box with one of these threading hooks or wire hooks. The wire hooks will be size appropriate to the riser that you're ordering. I'm happy to be using an 18-inch hook for a 3-inch riser in this case. But once again, you can hook your ends to the end of the riser. There's a little eyelet there, and then you can just kind of feed that through. Saves you time on the job. I know some people have their own things that they use here, but a lot of people don't. You might be threading a path light, you might be threading a fixture, who knows, but this is really how easy it is to thread our risers onto a fixture.